You like superheroes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Take one. Flying so I can fly through the sky instead of walking on. Flying to take away powers.
I would stop time whenever I clap and resume it whenever I clap again.
So I can do flips.
My superpower will be to be super small and super big.
Wow. Probably like jeans and a tank top.
Maybe just like a beam, like an X, like laser, beam, like two crossed.
What color?
Light blue.
Pink.
It's a rainbow. Red in the middle with a green skull with blue leggings.
Lettuce, pickles, strawberries, a piece of bread, then 3 pieces of bologna, then another piece of bread, then 3 pieces of bologna, then another piece of bread. Did a bunch of different sandwiches in one giant sandwich. PB&J.
In my mouth.
On my table. Have a hook so I can hook a bag with a sandwich. At the superhero table.
In my mouth because I eat it.
Superhero sandwich. That's a wrap.
Wait, we should have a sandwich now.